Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Litmatch banned device. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with Litmatch here, especially with your account, and you're getting the banned notification, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, typically, your account may be banned due to a number of circumstances. Usually they would ban you if you went against their terms of use or their privacy policy. So if you've been or accidentally harassed someone, well, that's a ground for you to get banned. But just in case this is it's unfair and you're sure that you did nothing wrong, well, the next thing that you may want to do is you want to make sure that this is not a glitch. Now, to do that, what you need to do is you want to go and just press and hold on the Litmatch app here, click on the eye icon, and you want to go and click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now, from here, click on clear all data, click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to go and exit this page, and you want to go ahead and visit Google Play Store. Now, in Google Play Store, you want to make sure that the app is fully updated. Now, if you are seeing the update button on the Litmatch page here, so go ahead and just click on the update and just wait for a while. Once the update's complete, go ahead and restart your phone and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do is you may want to see the current circumstances of your account, or what's the current standing of your account. Now, to see that, you need to see or look or read the actual ban. Now, the thing with Litmatch here is there are different kinds of bans in Litmatch. So first is the account ban. So if your account has been banned, you'll have the option to spend some diamonds here to basically get yourself unbanned from the platform. But in some cases, people would actually would naturally just wait for the ban to lift. Usually a month or a few weeks, depends on how or what's the severity of what you did or what actually happened. So if you have the patience, you can just wait it out. But if you don't, you can just click on the unban here and just spend some diamonds in order for you to get unbanned. Now, in some cases, if you do see the banned device on Litmatch here, it means that you won't be able to recover your account. The final and last thing that you could try doing here is by using a different device and a different email and basically creating a new account in Litmatch. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.